What is going on, beautiful people? We are headed to the car meet finally after so long. That's Karar right there, working on his Accord. The wrap almost gonna be done soon. It's gonna take him some time, but he'll get it there. Get the bag. He's got the Dragon tail lights right there. Hook him up with that. Let's go to the meet, fam. Yo, check this out. Who's that? You're probably watching the video right now, laughing your ass off. Yeah, buddy. Hey, another one. Look at that thing. And we got the 9th gen coming back. Lit. He's dragging his heart, bro. Look at that wrap. That wrap looks like paint. Yo, comment below what you guys think. This thing is insane. He's got that bar on the top. Sheesh. This thing is wild. Man. Nice. Look at this crazy setup right there. With that wing. With the tail lights. Diffuser. The whole bumper. That wing lifts up. That's the animation right there. Nice. Yep. It's crazy. Nice. Then we got Sonic Pro Gray. This color is like, it lights, it shines up in the, when the sun is out, it's like more light. When it gets darker, this color gets a little dark. It's just unique. I don't know if anybody else realizes that, but it's nice. Those wheel setup, crazy. ESR wheels right there. Bagged, of course. Same thing. Smoked out tail lights, reflectors. This one's lowered as well. Nice. This one is super clean. I like those plates, COVID-19, huh? Bagged, crazy wheels. Yeah. Oh, you're good, you're good.
It's really cool too.
Oh yeah. With that tight vest right there. Probably running a little over 400. Yeah, dude. You never been in one? I've driven them. It's nice.
Right next to the court.
Look at that.
Yeah, only thing I changed is that part.
That tune, bruh. 2.0. Let's go. Look at that thing. Dropped. Lord, looks like springs. Nice. I bet you it's a manual too. Yep. Moving on to my buddy right here. BMW white body and that GTR 800 horsepower. We got to make a video on this. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming content because we're going to be driving this beast right here soon. It's insane. Look at this thing. This is a fully built. Here you go, boss. Look at that. Sheesh. You guys gotta be on the channel. Alright, moving on. Look at this. Smoked taillights. Spoiler and the roof spoiler, the louvers. That's nice. Carbon fiber style going on here. Those wheels slanted, pretty dope. And my buddy's here too just now. Look at these wheels first real quick. Look at that. Woo. And it's dropped OD. Look at this. My buddies are here too. Well, look at that. Ain't.
They won, bro. They won, bro.
Nah, bro. There it drops. This hood is wild. Nice. Working under the hood. 9th gen. Bam. Looking dope. The meat is lit. Look at those white wheels. What's going on today? Like nowadays, most likely. White wheels trend or what? Look at that. White wheels here. White right here. Yo, it's so hard to maintain these white wheels. It's like you gotta clean them every day. Check this out. Crazy with the light going on. Man, the meat's awesome. Now we're about to do a mystery box giveaway with 3 winners here. Grab all these owners' tags and just kind of see if we get those 3 winners out there and give them 3 mystery boxes. Like 1 out of 50 right there. Well, maybe 50 out of 50, but there's only 50 made, I heard. Comment below if that's true, guys. Yeah, and comment below which accord you think is the cleanest out here. This meat. Look at this thing. Who won? Yo! Banks!
Yo, Banks, where's Banks?
Right here, man.
Yeah,
Right here.
Next time. Alright, say it. Oh,
Oscar! Where's Oscar? Oscar!
he's here. Yo, pick a box, bro.
This might be a trick.
Yo. Alright, last one. One more. We got. Yo, where's he at? Yo, take that box, boy. You got it, bro. Alright, fam. Peace out. The mystery boxes were given away. They got some money in there. But yeah, they were happy. And yeah, again, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at redlinemod.official and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that. And peace out until next time. We'll be leaving out sometime soon, and that's it. We're dope. That's it, fam. Later.